Hello everyone, my name is Karen. Today is a bit special because this is going to be the last video for my All Out August mini-series. A month ago, I planned on doing something special for my birthday and thought of incorporating different things I love here on my channel. I initially wanted my channel to be focused strictly on beauty-related content, but there's a part of me wanting to show more about my personal interests. And that's basically the main reason why I filmed vlogs and reaction videos for the past month. This way, I get to express myself a bit more. I feel like if I don't do this now, I might have regrets later on. So for those of you who watched my videos for the whole month of August, thank you very much. I really appreciate your time and hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'm currently in the process of planning my next lineup of videos and I'm excited to show them to you very soon. Now, going back to the video, this isn't the usual makeup tutorial I always do, but for your reference, I'll just put the products I used on the description box. As you can see from the title, this is just me having my own makeup therapy session. Let's reminisce this particular moment 4 months ago. It was the 29th of April around 2 a.m. when I decided to just sit down, do my makeup, and try to practice the skills that I haven't used for almost 2 months. When the community quarantine officially started last March 15 here in Metro Manila, at first I had lots of rest. I slept a lot and took the opportunity to slowly do the things I love. But as days passed by and the pandemic started to get worse, the lockdown started to feel mentally exhausting at some point. During the time I was filming this video, my body clock has already been ruined for the past weeks. I'd be awake until around 5 a.m. and go to sleep around 6 a.m. Then I wake up the next day around lunchtime. There were even days I would be awake until around 10 a.m. because I couldn't really sleep. Most of the times I was awake, I just sit down and think or write on my journal about my thoughts and feelings about what's been happening with myself, my career, and how the country has been dealing with the pandemic. Although I haven't been very productive during the entire community quarantine, there were days wherein I really tried to do things. I started enjoying daily chores and realized that I still have a lot of things to learn and discover. Of course, there are times that I hate doing them, but in order to have a good environment to live in, cleaning is a must. I started to get back into writing the story I've been trying to write for so long, and I'm happy that I've made progress. Just like what other people say, slow progress is still progress. I'm not sure if there will come a time this story will be out in the world, but the main goal right now is to just finish writing it. I also slowly got back into reading as well. I started writing a fiction book that also inspired me to continue writing. Despite of what's happening, I'm just thankful that somehow I have a creative outlet to keep myself sane, and that is through makeup. Doing a makeup therapy session like this is a way for me to de-stress and at the same time give myself some time to reflect on the things that I've been doing lately. This is also a way for me to practice my skills even more. Because again, just like what I mentioned earlier, during the time I was filming this, I haven't been able to properly do a full face makeup look for the past 2 months. I wasn't even sure how this look would turn out. I just went ahead and played with the products that I have. Some people might think, hey, you're not going out of the house. Why are you even wearing makeup? Well, just the fact that I can do my own makeup is already a big thing for me. Just the fact that I can do something else makes me feel alive. The color palette on this look also represents how I've been feeling. It's a bit gloomy. As you can see, I'm leaning more into these dark colors, more on gray, brown, and black. But I also used a shimmery shade on the eyes as a contrast, kind of representing that although I'm in this dark moment, there's still light and there's still hope. This pandemic may have given me a lot of stress, but it also gave me an opportunity to know myself better. Before, I used to think about the goals I still haven't achieved at this age. Then I realized I should be grateful for the things that I currently have and the little blessings I receive each day. I learned that I should live today instead of always worrying about tomorrow. What about you? How have you been? Is there anything that's challenging you right now? What are the things that helped you cope with the community quarantine? Share your thoughts on the comment section below and I'd be happy to interact with you. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!